Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Amashangana wala South Africa. So njengoba silungisiswe amashangana wangene la eBhweni silungise na wini. Yebo manje akalima ngale nto lesilungisela nina la. Silungisela la ngene eBhweni. Sizodala abantu phela la. Alimela le eBhweni lokha. Amashangana wala South Africa amashangana. Masilungisiswe wangene na wabe inganyeni. Yebo na basina banda. Amashangana wamadoda mina ngamashangana ngingabana eSouth Africa ngiyangizwa uma silwa la ngibane ingxenye yethu ngiyangizwa yini amashangana wala eSouth Africa uma silwa amashangana wangene la alwe nathi la abamusa ukungafuni ukuhamba bephinde bengafuni futhi ukubamba iqhaza wadoda ngenani la ngamasende ngafuna eBhweni lapha phakathi ngena lapha abasifazane abathatha kancane insizwa zephambili zonke hambani phambili lokho mina kuhamba kini mina kubamba iqhaza wamashangana ngenani lapha phambili ngenani lapha insizweni ngifuna nginanga ka-1-1 why ikhulumanga ka-1-1 ngenani lapha Instead uyahamba noma uba ingxenye ye-South Africa uzohamba noma ube ingxenye ye-South Africa awukwazi ukwenza konke South Africa angithi bona bafuna ukuhamba bathi bangabala ababe ingxenye komsebenzi mama ngalabelalelo mama besuke mama alimsisingane mama What's Abashangana wela iSouth Africa wezukuhamba awabambi iqhaza ke lapha. Yabo baba, awuyeka kancane leyo nto leyo, bamba iqhaza lapha, bamba iqhaza lapha. Hambe bamba iqhaza, beka phansi leyo nto, ayizumntshontsha umuntu leyo. Ayizumntshontsha umuntu leyo. Ayizumntshontsha umuntu leyo. Hambe uyongena lapha. Wemadoda sizolekelela nina la nina ndibele niyasebenza thina sisebenza. Ezethu ingane zindlu nina niyadani. Kodwa sizosiza nina la. Insizwa yelapha, ayelapha insizwa. Ayelapha insizwa. Ayelapha insizwa. Awu sizonqana kuze kube nini madoda. Izoloze lishe lokhu lihlele ndibele ukudlala la. Madoda, akelime ngalento eniyenza la. Akelime ngalento eniyenza la. Yonke insizwa yelapha. Uyezwa baba? Webaba, oqala ugqoke nesikhindi. Imvubu ihlaba isende lingene esiswini ngitshele. Hamba uye lapha. Ngizobuyela ilungise lento ngiyabona.
I feel like Uphekela Mthakathi is basically proving to other South Africans, especially people from Limpopo, that he is not tribalistic. Like, he loves all South Africans, he's standing for all South Africans. Because here he is, we can see him doing this march and march with the Tsonga men, and and I saw another man. I can say the king of Tsonga people, the one that is standing for Tsonga people, now coming forward because Uphekela Mthakathi said something about Tsonga, obviously apologizing, showing that nope, Zulu people are not against Tsonga people. We are all South Africans. We are all one. We have to stand together and fight this fight together. So he was now changing to say, Uphekela Mthakathi has apologized, so now we have to forgive him. We have to forgive the Zulu people and move forward, which that really surprised a lot of people. So many people were shocked to say, Haibo, what's going on? Why is this man who have been standing so strongly for people from Limpopo now turning and saying, nope, these Zulu people have asked for forgiveness. And guys, I really don't know, Shem. Like, I don't know how I'm feeling right now because, it's a lot. A lot is going down. Like, a lot is going on in South Africa right now as we speak. And now these Tsonga people are joining. There's this narrative that is being pushed all over South Africa that Ontlamulo was a criminal. Like, guys, But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think about this whole trend that is going on in South Africa?